In this video, I'll show you how to copy your Lovable AI project to VS Code. There are two ways to do this, so let me walk you through both of them. The first way is manual. Open your project in Lovable and click on the code view at the top. From here, you can open each file and copy the code manually, then paste it into VS Code. This works, but it is time-consuming, especially if your project has a lot of files. The second way is much faster and uses GitHub. Open your project in Lovable and click on the GitHub icon in the top right corner. Click on Connect GitHub and then select Connect Project. Choose your GitHub organization or personal account. If you have not connected GitHub yet, you will be asked to authorize the connection. Follow the prompts and it will be done quickly. Once connected, click Transfer Anyway if prompted. Lovable will push your entire project to a new GitHub repository. Once it is done, click View to open the repository on GitHub. Now open VS Code on your computer. On the Welcome page, click Clone Git Repository and then select Clone from GitHub. Make sure you have Git installed on your computer before doing this step. You will see a list of your GitHub repositories. Find the Lovable project you just pushed and click on it. Select a folder on your computer where you want to save the project and click Select as Repository Destination. VS Code will start cloning the repository. Once it is done, open the folder and you will see all your Lovable project files ready to work with directly inside VS Code. That is how you do it.